Hi friends, this is Lata Sahu and welcome to my channel Lata Study Corner. Hi friends, most of the people gets difficulty to understand square root. Today's class will solve their problem. Today we will discuss on square root. What is square root? The square root of a number is that number whose square is equal to the given number. Is it difficult to understand? Yes. That's why they gets problem. So we will understand it first by example. 5 square is 25. Then square root of 25 is 5. Okay. Square of a number is that number whose square root is the given number. Okay. Once more. Square of 4 is 16. So square root of 16 is 4. One more. Square of 9 is 81. Then square root of 81 is 9. It's very simple. Sign of square root is the radical sign. This is a sign of square root. This is the square root sign. This sign means power is half. Square root of a is equal to a raised to the power half. Square root of 16 is 16 raised to the power half. Clear? Square root of 25 is 5. Why? Because 5 square is 25. Square root of 0.64 is 0.8. Why? Because 0.8 square is 0.64. There are two methods to find square root of any number. First is prime factor method and second is division method. Let's discuss first method, prime factor method. In the prime factor method, we find first prime factors of the given number. Let's see the example. First question is, find the square root of 144. So, we will give the square root sign, square root of 144. So, before finding square root of 144, first we have to do the prime factorization of 144 to get the prime factors. Square root of 144 is equal to, we keep the square root sign and under that we write the prime factors of 144. So you can see 4 times 2 and 2 times 3 multiplied to get 144. Let's discuss step to step. Write these factors in pairs. We write the factors in pairs such that both the factors in each pair are equal. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. We see in each pair both the numbers are equal. Take one factor from each pair and remove the sign of square root. So from each pair, one factor is taken and square root sign is removed. Multiply the factors to get the square root of the given number. So 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. It means square root of 144 is 12. Once again, whose square root we have to find, that number we have to first do prime factorization and get their prime factors. Then make the pairs of the prime factors. In each pair, equal numbers must be there. From each pair, we take one factor and remove the square root sign. At last, we multiply the taken prime factors to get the square root of the given number. There is another way also to get the square root. What we do, we write the prime factors in index form. Example, square root of 144 is equal to square root of, these are the prime factors we get when we do prime factorization of 144. Now these prime factors we write in index form. As 2 is 4 times multiplied, so 2 raised to the power 4. 3 2 times multiplied, so 3 is raised to the power 2. Now, as already we discussed, square root means power is half. So we remove the square root sign and we give whole to the power half. Once again, square root means power is half. So we remove the square root sign and we give power half. Now we already discussed the law of indices, that is a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So here also 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2 whole to the power half. So each power is multiplied with half. 2 to the power 4 into half into 3 to the power also 2 into half. So 2 to the 4 and 2 to cancel here. We also take half of each index value, that is 4, its half is 2 and 3 power 2. So 2 half is 1. Okay. So here what is left? 2 square, that is 4. 3 here. So 4 into 3, 12. Same value we got here. Square root of 144, 12. Square root of 144, 12. Here we used index form and here simply we prime factors in the pair and calculated. So this point should be noted that square root means power is half. So when the powers are in index form, we can find square root by taking the half of the power. Few more examples. Square root of a fraction is what? Whenever we write, when we find square root of fraction, then square root of its numerator by square root of its denominator is better option. Square root of 6 1 by 4. 6 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction. Convert it. It's 25 by 4. It means square root of 25 by 4. 25 by 4 is a fraction form. We have to find its square root. So what we do? Square root of numerator by square root of denominator. So square root of 25 by square root of 4. Now square root of 25 is 5 because 5 square is 25. Square root of 4 is 2 because 2 square is 4. Okay. So what is the square root of 25 by 4? 5 by 2. Why? Because 5 by 2 square is 25 by 4. Okay. One more example. Here question is a decimal form. Square root of 2.25 is equal to square root radical sign under it 2.25. 2.25 you convert into fraction form. So square root of 225 by 100. Why 100 came? Because there are 2 decimal places. So 100. Now square root of numerator by square root of denominator. In this way we can divide it or separate it. Square root of 225. Find the prime factorization of 225. What we get? 5 into 5, 3 into 3. Write it under the square root sign. Make the pair of all the factors. Here also square root of 100. Find the prime factorization and make the pair of prime factors. From each pair take one number. From here 1 5 and from here 1 3. From here 1 5 and from here 1 2. 5 5 cancel. What is left? 3 by 2, that is 1.5. It means square root of 2.25 is 1.5. Okay friends. These are the questions we discussed on square root. Once again, very simple thing you must understand to get clear concept of square root. If 5 square is 25, then square root of 25 is 5. If 4 square is 16, then square root of 16 is 4. If 9 square is 81, then square root of 81 is 9. This is a simple concept. If you will understand it, you can find square root any number, any fraction, any decimal. In the next video, we will discuss the next method, that is a division method, where the children more suffer. So this is for today. Thanks for watching.